What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're back with another video, and this one's a little short video. So as you guys could see from my previous videos, I own a NSX, but haven't really brought it out because it needs some work done to it. But today we're pulling it out for a quick wash because it's been sitting in the garage and it's been collecting dust and has some spider webs on it. So my boy Miguel is gonna come over and help me just give it a little quick wash, and we're gonna put a little video together for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get to it. Hey, I don't really use this car. I keep it in the garage. As you guys can see, there's spider web, and I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but the car's just really dusty, guys. And the reason why I really don't use it is because it leaks oil from one of the head gaskets, and it needs some other small work done to it. But I've been saving money to one day, you know, fix it all at once and drive it whenever I feel like driving it and just create some content with this car. But yeah, me and my boy Miguel are gonna get ready and show the NSX some love and do a little quick wash video for you guys. Here it is, guys, looking nice and shiny now. Shout out to my boy Miguel. Thanks for helping me out, bro. And like I was saying, you know, it needs a little bit of work to get it running 100%, and I've been saving to get it all fixed at once. It has minor details, but as you guys know, you guys that know about these cars, parts are pretty expensive. And body wise, it has no scratches other than this right here. And right there was when the transporter was getting it off the trailer. He messed that up on the car. But I'm gonna keep saving money to fix it one day and get it running 100% and give you guys some NSX content. So that is all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please hit that like and subscribe button and leave a comment of what type of videos you guys would like to see in the future, and hope to bring you guys more NSX content. The NSX video for you guys, and I just wanted to let y'all know that this was a last moment thing, you know, some last minute filming, and it's gonna be a little short, but I hope you guys enjoy this video, and please leave a comment under this video and let me know what you guys think, and like always, what you guys would like to see in the future videos.